Explained in this video is an overview of the call section on iPECS 1. The call section is located at the left-hand side of the screen. The first part of the call section is the call log. Here you can see the calls associated to your extension, and if the call was incoming, outgoing, or a missed call. The different coloured arrow symbols indicate the direction of the call. The call log shows all calls, or can be filtered to just show missed calls. To return a call from the call log, click the small telephone icon. For more options, click the three dots where you can. Start a video call, internal organisation contacts only. Start a chat, internal organisation contacts only. See more details about the call. Delete the call from the call log. Next to the Dialpad are call options. Voicemail to see urgent, new or saved voicemail messages. Clicking the voicemail button will take you through to the iPECS Cloud user portal to listen to the messages. Call pickup to answer a call that is ringing on another extension or group's phone. Unpark to answer a parked call. Intrusion if permissions allow to join another team member's current call. Lastly is the Dialpad. The number keys can be clicked on to dial a number or by typing the number on a keyboard. The search bar will find a saved contact when searched for by name or number. Recent searches will show when clicking into the search window. You can select which contact to call and start the call by pressing the green telephone symbol.